Matterhorn. Towering on the Swiss-Italian border, the Matterhorn is one of the most iconic mountains globally, renowned for its distinctive pyramid shape. The town of Zermatt, nestled at its base, offers a picturesque view of this majestic peak. Swiss National Park Allo, located in the Engadine Valley. The Swiss National Park is the country's only national park. It's a pristine wilderness where visitors can experience untouched alpine landscapes, diverse flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts. Chillon Castle, situated on the shores of Lake Geneva near Montreux. Chillon Castle is a medieval gem. This waterbound fortress, with its stunning architecture and historic significance, offers a glimpse into Switzerland's past. Lucerne and Chapel Bridge. Lucerne is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture, and the Chapel Bridge apple brucket stands out. This wooden bridge adorned with a tower is one of the oldest in Europe and provides breathtaking views of the surroundings. Jungfraujoch, often referred to as the top of Europe. Jungfraujoch is a high-altitude mountain pass accessible by a scenic train ride. Visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the Aletsch Glacier, the longest glacier in the Alps. Lauterbrunnen Valley. Nestled between steep cliffs, Lauterbrunnen Valley is a fairy tale-like destination with 72 waterfalls. The Staubach Falls, plunging dramatically from a sheer cliff, is a highlight of this enchanting valley.
Gruyères. This medieval town is famous for its cheese, Gruyère. Visitors can explore the Gruyères castle, stroll through cobblestone streets, and indulge in the local cheese fondue. Interlaken. Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, Interlaken is a gateway to the Jungfrau region. Surrounded by mountains, it offers a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation with opportunities for hiking, skiing, and water activities. Hey, amazing folks! Thanks a bunch for tuning into our video today. I'm thrilled to share this moment with all of you. Before we dive in, I want to remind you to hit that subscribe button below the video. Subscribing ensures you won't miss out on more exciting content from our channel. So go ahead, make sure you're subscribed.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. It really helps us grow and deliver more of the content you love. And one more thing, let's get the conversation going. Drop a comment below. I genuinely want to hear your thoughts on this video or any suggestions you might have for future content. Your comments mean the world to us. Before we part ways, I want to extend a massive thank you to each and every one of you who watched this video. Without your support, this channel wouldn't be as awesome as it is. So, thank you so much, folks. Until next time, stay awesome, and always remember to subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.